Hey families, Mr. BPE here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to bowl.
Hey, how's that?
The first thing we're going to talk about with bowling is our grip on the ball. So I'm going to come in nice and close. We're going to do what's called a bunny ears or dragon's claw grip, or sometimes a giant's nose picker grip. Do you see that? You see how I've put one finger each side of the seam. So when we bowl, we're going to do a ready, aim, fire technique. We've got our grip sorted. We're going to turn side on to our target. That's our ready position. When we say aim, place our foot out, arms out nice and wide, the ball's in our grip, and we're in a seesaw or windmill position. You see that? That's our aim. We're rocking backwards and forwards. On fire, we come forward, eyes on the target, and we windmill over and follow through where we want to go. And we have a nice straight arm as we bowl. We're going to clip our hat on the way past. Let me show you. Ready? Aim, point that foot, get that windmill or that seesaw going, get rocking and rolling, back and fire. Let me show you from straight on, families. Remember your grip, your bunny ears, ready position, side on, aim and get your rocking going, nice straight arm at the back, and fire.
Hey, how's that?
Alright, let me show you some bowling games you could try at home. The first game we're going to play is called Knock 'em Down, Build 'em Up. So if you've got wickets at home, you can set your wicket up, or if you've got some cones, you can set some cones up, or if you've got some plastic bottles or plastic cups, or your teddies, you could set them up in a nice tower and then try and knock them down. Here we go. Ready, aim, and fire. Oh, I missed on that go. Now the game is knock them down and build them up, because you've got to knock them all down and then you've got to hit them and build them all up again. This next game is called Battleships. This is a fun one to play at home. Set out a load of equipment or a load of things, cushions, pillows, toys. I've got some hula hoops, I've got some cones and some markers, and then try and hit those things, just like the game of Battleships. Every time you bowl, and hit something, oh, I nearly got it. If I hit it, I get to keep that item. You could add points to each one, make it into a little bit of a maths game. Get creative, have some fun with it. Okay families, there you go, how to bowl. We've got our grip, we've got our ready, aim, fire, with that nice straight arm over the top following through. Thanks for checking out this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, press that alert button so you keep up to date with all the latest videos coming out. Let me show you one more bowl. I've got a special guest that's going to join me. Come on in, Mr. Bentley. Here we go. Ready, aim, fire. Hey, how's that? That was a wicket.